Hi everyone, my name is Sidra and I co-run a brand by the name of Cooking 101. I'm here today to bring you an exciting recipe in collaboration with Opa and Scary Ummi. It's an exciting competition in which all of you stand a chance to become Opa Super Chef. So all you have to do is to watch this video, recreate the recipe and send in your entries to the Scary Ummi group. The recipe that I'll be making today is the broccoli soup. It's one of my favorite recipes, and for that I'll be using Opa's frozen broccoli. It's an amazing product because you get to use that throughout the year. It's fresh, it's convenient, it's affordable. This soup is super healthy, it's jam-packed with flavors and nutrients, and guess what? It's an amazing recipe for the upcoming winter season, so what's not to love about it? For the recipe, we need very few ingredients, and you require some onion, some grated ginger and garlic, some butter, some chicken stock, some cream, some milk. We need some salt and pepper for seasoning, some mixed herbs, some flour to thicken our soup, and in the end, some croutons to garnish our soup. And most importantly, our Opa frozen broccoli. Okay, so let's start with the recipe. If you don't have a stick blender or an immersion blender, don't worry, you can use a normal jug blender to blend your soup, but make sure that your soup is not really hot and blend it in 2 intervals. Okay, so our amazing broccoli soup with Opa broccoli is all set to be served, and I can't wait for you guys to recreate this recipe, and I'm sure that you are going to love this. All you have to do is to recreate this recipe, send in your entries to Scary Ummi group, and guess what? You can be Opa Super Chef and can win amazing prizes.